Hi everyone, welcome back. So Nokia officially announced their new smartphone lineup such as Nokia 8.3 5G model, Nokia 5.3, and Nokia 1.3, and also a one of my best smartphone in older Nokia smartphone like Nokia 5310 Musical Express. So Nokia officially announced their Nokia 5310 Musical Express 2020 smartphone. This smartphone you get a 2.4-inch display, dual speaker, FM radio, MP3 player, micro SD card, and a up to 32 GB. The smartphone also support dual SIM card. In older Nokia 5310 you get a single SIM card. Now when you open the box, on the front you got a Nokia 5310, and in the box you also got a battery which come with a 1200 mAh battery, which of course a removable battery. And the last stuff is a USB charger adapter, and you can also get some user stuff, etc. So now moving to the actual smartphone. The smartphone looking same as the older Nokia 5310. On the left side you get a volume up and down button which used for music, and on the right side you get a same as button as the in red color, which is a pause and play button, and forward and back button for music. So overall the smartphone looking very cool, very premium as well. So the new Nokia 5310 Musical Express smartphone, you got on the front you got a dual speaker which is really cool for music lover, and overall the smartphone looking really cool. And you can also get a 3.5 mm headphone jack, which of course very needed. Now the price of the smartphone is around 49 euros, which is around 3,500 Indian rupees. So overall this is a really good deal for music lover as well as Nokia lover. So that's all guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, press the like button, let me know your thought in the comment section. I will catch you next video. Till then, goodbye.